It's hard to ignore it as you get closer, looking like something off of Victoria's Secret poster. Except you don't really need the lingerie to compensate for lots of things missing, revealing little. You call it plain. Even when you rock an average everyday look, niggas secretly hope you bring it back like a Drake hook. Sweatpants, hair tie, yeah, all of that. If you give it signs and they be blind not to follow that. But sometimes it isn't them who has a sight issue, but a slight issue, which is you letting the light miss you. It's ironic, you're showing more to cover up. Your beauty inside shrivels when your body runs amok. I've more interest in what interests you. Let's interview the inner you and get into what gets to you. And if it's too convenient, we meet and greet, which leads to something after. Though my reason may be backwards, I'm a little more attracted to you.
Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest.
It's plus,
I
y'all.
hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong.
Girl, I love the melanin you're chillin' in. Tell me again, are you cocoa, mahogany, or cinnamon? No filling in. For that natural hue, don't make me scrape that clay off searching for the actual you. Your black is beautiful. Now that's the factual truth. Remove the cosmetics and the tips to regather your youth. Personifying Barbie dolls that shouldn't matter to you. You're full of life and expression. They could drink a gallon of you and still be lifeless, cause their life's just wrapped around society's definition of beauty. Truly unique is the lady who's attractive without the additives. See, the only thing you need is a little confidence and a few compliments, which are condiments to the confidence. You feel me now? Accomplish this state of mind that you're gorgeous, pretty lady, and understand that every guy isn't gonna find you attractive. To each his own. For me, I find you gorgeous, pretty lady, and my reason may be backwards. I'm a little more attracted to you.
Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong.
How can I further express the way I feel when you're keeping it simple? That's what I call keeping it real. With your sweatpants, your hair tie, when we chillin', you ain't got no makeup on. That's when you the prettiest. Please don't take it wrong. That's when you the prettiest. Please don't take it wrong. Please don't take it wrong. That's when you the prettiest.
Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong.
It's hard to ignore it as you get closer, looking like something off of Victoria's Secret poster. Except